Guys, like expected, the price of gold could not break this resistance area. So what did I do? I waited for a confirmation on a smaller time frame, which is here. As you can see, the market reversed at this point in 15 minutes time frame. Like I told you that the 250 moving average is the last end of market resistance. So I waited for confirmation at this point and I made my entries. Currently, you can see it is moving smoothly. So as you can see, it's already
Yeah, boy.
running on 50 euros profit, and as you can see too, this is today's profit. Over 200 euros profit.
Nice.
So when it is maybe 9:30, I will close this trade and wait for tomorrow. I'm a day trader and this is how I roll. So, but don't forget what I said here already. In this place, there's already a signal indicating a sell, a strong sell for that matter, uh, against tomorrow. So keep your eyes in the market and wait for what used to give you this signal before you make your entries. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.